Let's see the problem of window picture not visible or thumbnails are not visible but only icon exist. If I change the view large or extra large, despite that it's not visible. If I click the picture so you can watch it, however it's not visible that we can see like thumbnails. So we will fix this problem in just one go. Now click on your computer, and when it opens, so simply we will open or click three dots. And in three dots, click Options, and in Options, click View. Now we will uncheck Always Show Icons Never Thumbnails off this tick mark. And when you off it, so apply and OK, and you will see that all the thumbnails would be visible without click. Now if I change the view, so it would be more larger and more visible or clear. And on double click, you can also see the picture just like in full view. Hope you would have liked. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe.